put 6 wood chips, then we jump on the 6, then we put 6 wood chips, and over and over again. Yeah.
And then in the end it makes a what?
It makes a swale.
It's a swale.
And what were the things in swales? The swales had a lot of things that were good about them. What were they?
They helped water the forest.
Yeah.
Like trees.
Yeah.
And what lives inside the swales?
Bugs. And tiny creatures.
Yeah, mushrooms. Yes.
And fungi.
Fungi, yes.
And even moths.
This is one of our little analogies for the swale. You guys remember that one?
A camelback.
It does look like a camel. Yeah.
Yep. Kind of like upside down camels, helping retain the water and the moisture.
Building swales might be a good way for all of us to help planet get better.
Thank you for that.
Yeah.
We would love to put them up so people can see.
That would be
very much.
inspiring for people to know that kids are really caring about what's going on up there.
And that people understand why a swale, that you can build a swale and why you should build